everyone, it's Happy Mail Queen. So I thought I'd go and just do a very quick I guess a little tutorial on how to assemble this Shimelle Gift bag die. One of you guys had a question about assembling it, because you do have all these lines and I guess it can look kind of confusing. So I went ahead and cut it out, just the base. And what you want to do first is just go ahead and fold your flaps. So you have these perforated lines here, and that's supposed to be your score line, or where you fold. So it's probably the easiest to just fold all your flaps first, okay, because you know that's going to be folded. And then here's the flap that will put the panel together like that. And then so then you have all these lines. So you want to think of it as not so much a box but a paper bag. You want to fold that in, okay? So you're going to do a mountain fold because it's like a mountain. You're going to do a valley fold in that middle section. See that? So a mountain here, fold the other way, and then another mountain fold here. And then you kind of do the same thing here, a mountain fold, a valley fold, which is the other direction, and then another mountain fold. Okay, so then this part is where you put the adhesive. So let's go ahead and just do that real quick. Let's see, I have my ATG gun here. So let's go ahead and put a little adhesive on that, on that flap side. Actually, you know what? I like wet glue, so let's take that off. And you just ball it up and it comes off. Let's just do wet glue because I think it'll be easier. So let me see if my wet glue is working. This is my Tombow adhesive. Okay, that one's not working. Let's just use my Nouveau because so far this one's been working really well. So go ahead and just put your adhesive on this flap. So this is the part that I glue first. Okay, so that's a flap and you're just going to line that up to close it and put the two panels together. Okay, and I love this glue because it dries quick. It's kind of like that Scotch. Okay, so as you can see, and then you just fold this in because that's the bottom. And depending on where I want the closure, you want to fold that in, okay? So if I want this in the front, let's say I'm going to put a Velcro and I want this to be the front, then I'll put this last, you know, like I'll fold that in last. But if I want it the other way, it doesn't really matter, but this is just how I do it. If I want this to be the front, then I'll fold this way. So let's just do that. So just put your adhesive, okay? I hope this is making it easier for you. I know some people are visual people, and so they have to kind of see it to know. And then I'll just put that down and I'll take, like, I don't know, a pencil, something, a pen, just to kind of flatten that. Make sure that that glue stays on because that is the bottom. You don't want that opening up. Okay? And then that's it. You just fold this over, and then if you want to use the slit here to close it, you can close it. And then you close it like that. See? So it's almost like a little paper bag. And I was wondering what this line was over here. I don't know what that is. That extra line there. I don't know if that's where you're supposed to line up your banner, maybe. I'm not sure, but just disregard that one, or else you'll get confused. You just want to score the other lines at the other lines. Okay, so I hope that is helpful to you, who you know, the person who was requesting that, how to assemble that. Okay, so moving on, I do have a little haul for you guys. I was at Michael's because I've been on a organizing kick. Hubby's like, you got to organize your craft room. We have a worker that's coming to fix the kids' bathroom, and you know, your craft room is a crazy mess. So that's what I've been doing these past days. So the storage system, I don't know now if it's still on sale because I went yesterday. Their storage, they had a doorbuster and the Iris 12 by 12, or I don't know if it's like 13 by 13, you know what I'm talking about, the flat box. Those were on sale, so I had to go and get some because I'm trying to organize. So like for instance, I decided I'm going to try this system. I've used these storage boxes before, but I kind of got frustrated before because I didn't like the closure of it. You know, it was so hard to open, but they've made it so much easier, and it's been like this for a while. So I picked up a few of these, and so that way I can just put all my collections in one spot, because I realize I have a lot of collections, you guys. I tend to buy collections instead of just buying like a paper pad and that's it. You know, I like to use the ephemeras with it, the embellishments that come with a collection. So I decided that this is probably the best way, and then I'm just labeling them. So for instance, this is Pink Paisley Bella Rouge, and any other pink paisley that I have, if I can fit in here, I will fit it in here. And so like this one here, which I got from Tuesday Morning. It's not a collection, but it is pink paisley. So that way I know that, you know, if I find, let's say, the ephemera at Tuesday Morning for this collection, if they even have it, then I know, okay, let me look at my pink paisley bin and see if I have that paper. Because sometimes I like to, you know, match it like that. So yeah, so that's what I've been doing. Sometimes I can put, like, this one still has room to grow, so I'll put like 2 or 3 collections, but they're all of the same. Like all my Bow Bunny is in one, well, I have two bins of these. My Graphic 45, you know, I'll put like several collections in there. So that's how I've been storing my stuff, and that's why I went to Michael's. But of course, you know, you always pick up more than more than you're supposed to. So I checked what was on sale. The backyard table is still on sale, as well as the summer stuff like the Poolrific. So I did pick this up because I've been wanting this, and I keep putting it back. And anyway, I decided, you know, I'm just going to pick it up. This was the last one left too, and I really love the butterflies, and you can use this for any collection. So I did pick that up, and that was $2.50. And I decided, you know, I do have a lot of summer papers from Echo Park, you know, things like that, and they'll go along with this. So this is part of the Poolrific, and I don't know if anyone's kind of done I initially wasn't going to pick this up, but it's really fun. I wish this was like gold foil though, because the paper is gold foil, but it does have a, can you see that? It kind of has this holographic finish to it. I don't know if the camera's picking that up. So you have these, you get 3 each. You have the cherry, you have the sunglasses, and then I just love these little guys. They're so cute, the little floaties. And summertime, we are always swimming at my sister's, so I have plenty of pool pictures. And I could always get some from my sister too. So that's that pack, and it comes with, then it comes with the fruits and the ice cream. So you have the pineapples, and I believe these are these stickers? Yes, they are stickers. You have the flip-flops, you have the ice cream cones, and the watermelons. And it's just super cute. So I went ahead and picked this up. I think my BFF picked this up, right, Erica? So I might have seen your haul on these, because I know you picked up some of the summer things. Unless you picked up the Summer Fiesta one, I don't know. But they kind of go hand in hand. Like these fruits will definitely go hand in hand with the summer. Okay, I can't even put this in, so we will do that afterwards. So that's part of the Poolrific. And I'm sure you guys have seen this, but I'll just do a quick flip through. And this will, I think, coordinate with the other summer stuff that I have. But, you know, 50% off. This was the last one left. I do like it. It's cute. And like I said, I'll go with other collections. I don't usually mix and match, but in this case, you know, this is like a fun kind of paper, and the colors are, you know, very summer. And I do like all the little cut aparts and the gold foiling. So $3, that's not bad. That's like Tuesday morning price. Okay, and then look, so pretty. And then you can definitely use this rainbow with, you know, your unicorn papers. Then you have these. You have the floaties. I just love the little floaties. I think it's adorable. The lemons and limes and oranges. And then the ice cream. And then this. So this was the last one left, and there is like a little line over here on this one, but that's okay. So this will be, you know, fun to play with for summer. And then I didn't find the paper for the Summer Fiesta, but I decided to go ahead and get the, I just love die cuts, you guys. And these are stickers, but you know, they're die cut stickers. Just, I don't know, I just love them. And then you get the birds, you get these flowers are just so pretty. You can put them on anything. I think they're just gorgeous. And you know, you can just trim some of it just to layer it. And then this one says Fiesta, like there's no mañana, like there's no tomorrow. And then the pineapples. And so yeah, you know, I think you can use it for the other paper, because this is, it's funny because this is gold foil and this has gold foil. So it seems like they'd go together. But yeah, I didn't find the paper, but that's okay, because this is fine. And then let's look at the other ones. And then, so you have some more birds, really pretty colorful birds. You have this heart. I'm not sure what this is. It's like a heart doily with flowers. And this is what I really loved about it, because my sister always makes margaritas, virgin margaritas for me. She always makes me margaritas when we're, you know, at her pool. And then also fruits. She loves fruits. She's always slicing up fruits. So that's just perfect. Okay, so that is the Summer Fiesta die cuts, and 50% off, so fun. Okay, so yeah, I'll be storing these now that I have a bunch of storage containers. Oh my gosh, my husband is like You got to use up your stuff. Okay, so I will. I'll make something fun for summer. All right, thanks for watching, guys, and enjoy the rest of your week. Bye for now.